A planned public or social occasion. A significant occurrence or happening. The company is organizing a networking event for its employees. She was invited to speak at a major industry event. The town is hosting a cultural event this weekend. The charity run is an annual event that attracts many participants. The gala dinner was a grand occasion. The official function was attended by numerous dignitaries. The city hosts a music festival every summer. The community gathering was a great success.